Hey, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to index your website, blog pages, blog posters, and so on and so forth. So I've just done it for my website, and I think I'll create this video and help you guys out in case you are stuck with the indexing your pages. I understand the pain because when you do it from the Search Console, do it via request indexing, it would take around a week, sometimes a month to index your pages, posters. But then yeah, there is a hack or trick, or you can call it, setting up an instant indexing for your website simply, and resolve your indexing issues. So I'll go ahead and show you my screen. So I've jotted down all the setup process in the 7 simple steps. So before you proceed by setting up this instant indexing process for your website, make sure that you have the owner access to your Google Search Console, and make sure that you are obviously using a WordPress. And if you're using a WordPress, make sure that you can activate and install the plugins. You should have the ability to do so, and ensure ensure the you should have the AP. You can create the API from the same email that has the Google Search Console owner access. All right. So once you have all these 4 important things, you can go ahead and follow the first step, that is install instant indexing plugin in your website. So you can do it both in 2 ways. First is, simply hop up on the Rank Maths website and download the plugin for free. And I would rather choose this way. For example, go to the plugins, and then you go to here, add new, and you write here instant indexing. You should have it on the top of the results. So make sure that you capture this logo in your mind, and the title is Instant Indexing for Google by Rank Math. Although there are other plugins, but you have to activate this plugin, install this plugin, and then activate it. And then once you activate it, you can find it in the in your WordPress menu, like in here as Rank Math. All right. So this is the first process, first step. The second step is to the go to the API. I have already given you this sheet, and you can simply hop up on this link, hop up to this link, and then simply create a project in the console, as I have created few for my other projects. But yeah, make sure that you obviously use the same email ID that has the Google Search Console access, owner access. So here, as you can see, I have created a innocent indexing API account for JumpScamp website. Just done it, and just simply go here and create a new project. You can create a project. Once you create a project with like something like this, you write a name called instant indexing for my website. Just an example. Just keep the organization, write anything, if you have the organization or website, and simply go ahead and create. Once you create, and you'll end up to this page, land on this page, and then the third step comes in, where you have to enable this API. Just go ahead and enable this API this way. Just 2 clicks. Yeah, once this enable, you're not able to click on this enable link. That means you have already enabled this API. And after that, just hop up to the service console again and create a service account there. In service accounts, you can already see, okay, again, you have to make sure that you are using the same email. Otherwise, you can mess up things. So yeah, I have the Search Console access to this email, and I'm ensuring that I create all the API account, enable the API, and create service account from the same email, right? So as you can see, I created the project, and I'm doing creating a service account for this project. So for that, I just go to the entity, and since I have already created it here, if it was not there, then I would have gone to there, create service account, and create it with the name of, like, again, instant indexing. All right, and then these two are optional, and simply click on the done. Once you click on the done, you'll see something like this, and then you have to pick this email, this long email from the clipboard. You can copy simply, and then go to your Google Search Console. There you can go to the settings, user and permission, add a new user, and then then you simply put the long email here and give the permission as owner, right? I've already done it, that's why I'm canceling it. So I've already done it here, and as you can see, I've successfully added it as an owner. And then once you create it successfully and give the add owner access to Google Search Console, now what you have to do is to download the JSON key. You can simply go here. In three dots, you'll see manage keys. Click on that. Since I've already created the key, but you can go here if there was no key, you just go here, create a new key, and once you create a new key, you will get the JSON key. And yeah, once you get the JSON key, just copy that key and go to your WordPress again. Then go to Rank Math, WordPress, instant indexing. In here, you can see the Google API settings, and you simply put it here. Like, keep your API key, JSON key here, and simply save changes. Once you put it here and save these changes, that's it, guys. All you have to go here again, and then take an article. For example, the latest article you guys have published. Then just copy that article here. Every day you'll get around 200 requests where you can submit 200 articles or 200 permalinks and send it to the API. Yeah, you should have the success response from the API. If you have a success response, yeah, you can maybe hop up to the article in a day or two and see, if it is indexed or not. You can check that like real quick with site colon and see if it is appearing in the Google search result, then it is indexed. If not, then it is not. So yeah, it should work in the next 2 days. You should have the article indexed. That's it, guys. If you need anything else, I'll make sure that this document is in the read more section or somewhere in the video. Just go ahead and follow the process. Happy indexing, guys. Thank you.